let's review today's London session. I was just going to forward test it today. I didn't place any real trades other than the demo trade that I didn't get filled on for some reason. You'll see. So today, as you can see, we have Reddit folder news, which is why we can trade today. Then we can hop onto the daily. So we are still bearish here, but let's go lower. 4 hour, we can see I marked out this low right here, and pretty much that's it. We can mark out this, but we don't really need it. Okay, like this. So here I saw this 1 hour fair value gap right here, and it's useful because it's the first PDRA in this move up, so it's in discount, which is why longs are good from here. Then we can go ahead and drop lower onto the 15-minute here. Let me mark out 3 and 4, the silver bullet session. Okay, so we can see the price dropped into the 15-minute fair value gap, from which it did not show any setup or something like that. It just moved a bit higher. So from here on, when the 3 came around, I was looking for price, if we're gonna follow the bias, to sweep this buy liquidity, this, and go into the 50-minute fair value gap, which is in premium, and then go lower towards this 1 hour fair value gap where I can take this trade and attack this sell side liquidity pool right here. But something else happened. We had a move lower, as you can see right here. So we had a move lower, sweeping this liquidity, reaching the hourly fair value gap, and then all I saw was a break of structure right here. So right here, the break of structure, and as you can see, it was really energetic. So price moved with energy, which is what I needed. Also here we can see a 1 minute inversion fair value gap, so someone could have longed right here. Okay, that's for some people, someone who uses inversion fair value gaps. They enter here, put the stop below the inversion, and just enter right there. In terms of my model, it's entry on this fair value gap right here. So this is the 1 minute fair value gap. We can see the break of structure right here. Okay, we'll bring it to the front. So we have these two PDRAs, which is why my stop was just below the third candle of this, which is 4 pips. So I went like that. The stop could have easily been below this, but I preferred the 4 pips because it was the third candle of the fair value gap, and basically we were targeting these 15-minute relative equal highs, as you can see right here. So these are relative equal highs. I mean, they weren't the 15-minute, but this is a, I mean, it is, yeah, it's a 50-minute relative equal highs. Okay, so yeah, and the 15-minute fair value gap. Those were the targets for this trade. I tried to execute it. You're gonna see on the recording. I mean, you're first gonna see the execution video, but yeah, I put my limit order, and for some reason it did not fill me in on the paper trading account, so I just went with it like this. Another thing, I'm quite tempted to start trading London session because it has really been clean these days, and the price has been really good on the London session especially, and I think I'm 3 for 3 on London session. Like I took 3 wins like this. I did not actually execute them, but these wins, you know, they were still wins, you know, even though I didn't press the buy or sell button. On this one I did on the paper trade, but I did not get filled in for some reason. But yeah, I'm really like tempted right now to start trading London session. Maybe I will, with less risk, of course, or something like that. I'll definitely think it through. For now, we are trading New York session today, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, that's basically it. That's basically it of the trade. So the reason that this trade was an A grade trade, it was not A plus, because the bias was not matching. The bias, as you can see, is bearish. So the bias is bearish, which is why this trade was only an A grade. It was missing that one thing. So it had the 15-minute sweep of liquidity, at least. It had the 1 hour fair value gap, and it had an energetic break of structure with fair value gap. Okay, so that's all we needed. And yeah, the last thing, clear draw on liquidity, which is basically these clean 15-minute highs and this 15-minute fair value gap. So yeah, this was the trade basically. It was pretty simple, and yeah, we'll see what New York has for us.